Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review Scam Risks or Honest Results. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Reviews, Scam Supplement or Real Results? New Updates. February 2021 Update. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Weight Loss Drink Recipe Supplement by Mike Banner has taken the health world by storm in 2021 as one of the leading fat-burning powders to try due to its ability to support digestion, energy, and vitality naturally. But with all the notoriety and online recognition the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder has received in the past few months, there are a few important consumer warnings and customer alerts that all savvy shoppers should know about up front. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powdery supplement that is effective for losing weight. Being a 100% natural formulation, it produces results without having to change your lifestyle or diet pattern. Every scoop of this supplement is filled with herbs originating from Japan. These have been tested for weight loss and also help in regulating blood pressure. The stored fat is targeted, thereby boosting metabolism and bettering the speed of weight loss. Weight loss is a tricky subject to discuss, as many factors can either support or deteriorate set goals. In particular, these so-called factors might range from genetics, hormones, one's diet, food quality, and health to addictions, stress, sleep, and physical activity. This is also confusing. Mike Banner trusts that his Flat Belly Tonic from Okinawa can do the trick to help support those in dire need of direction, motivation, and energy. While he strongly encourages healthy eating and some form of exercise, he also values the digestive and gut functions, both of which serve as the basis of his formula. What is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is based on the tonic ingredients of one of the healthiest islands in the world, Okinawa. This tonic has been used for thousands of years for supporting healthy digestion and metabolism. In addition to supporting healthy digestion and metabolism, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support and metabolic support throughout the day. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains an ingredient that helps to break up fat and food particles so they don't lodge in the lining of your intestine, ileum. This helps ensure smooth transit through your intestines. Weight gain has become a commonplace problem for many of us. As much as we try adopting fancy diets and exercising routines, sometimes it's hard to get rid of that hanging fat. Even if we end up shedding that fat, there is no assurance that we aren't going to gain it again. This can be potentially because we aren't aiming at the root cause of the problem. Various weight loss programs scam customers and end up producing no result. However, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has gained positive reviews from those who have tried and tested it. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement intended to promote healthy weight management, support healthy digestion, and boost energy and vitality. As indicated in the title, this supplement has been formulated in powdered form to be enjoyed as a tonic. Above all, the use of all natural ingredients is the highlight here, especially since they are typically viewed as essential nutrients that go well beyond supporting one's mental and physical health. Such positive changes are all it takes to increase clarity and day-long energy, both of which play a key role in productivity levels. All things considered, let's now explore the ingredients that make the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic possibly superior. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder work? Okinawa is an all-natural dietary supplement that claims to reach the root cause of weight gain in one's body. And that causes the metabolism of one's body. Generally, this is a common reason for excess weight where people suffer from stagnated or slow metabolisms. Hence, with a slow metabolism, shedding off those extra kilos becomes impossible. This is why excessive weight can be humiliating and makes social get-togethers a nightmare. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one such weight loss drink powder recipe that claims to not only reduce weight but also tackles the root cause of weight gain. By using this program, users can make sure that their body is getting the vital essentials to maintain their metabolism fast and effective. Also, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic eradicates the risks of possible weight gain in the future by supplying the body with ample amounts of super nutrients that will provide more nutritional value and density. This weight loss supplement is derived from the Japanese and their diet habits. It is inspired by the lifestyle of the Okinawan people who lived in Okinawa Island, who were able to live a highly effective and energy-driven lifestyle. These people are known for remaining fit and healthy and also have a longer lifespan than the standard age of man around the globe. Here is a list of the health benefits advertised using the Okinawa drink powder. Burns excess fat to reduce weight for a lean body. Prevents food cravings that lead to substantial weight loss. Keeps the body energetic throughout the day. Tackles CRP proteins that hamper fat burning. Regulates blood sugar levels and cholesterol in the body. Improves mental focus, mood, self-confidence, and self-esteem. Boosts metabolic processes of the body. Enhances cardiovascular and liver functions. Increases hormonal functions that support weight loss. Ingredients inside Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder? As far as ingredients go, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula has been split into 3 sub-blends. The first of the blends contain polyphenols. Polyphenols are micronutrients that are praised for their rich source of antioxidants. Given that the latter boosts the immune system and clears the body of foreign invaders, it is believed that as a consequence, issues related to the digestive system, weight, cognitive function, and cardiovascular diseases will gradually disappear. Each Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic serving contains 2,150 mg of polyphenols. Food is a source of nutrients that the body relies on for reparation, maintenance, and protection purposes. If our metabolic rates aren't satisfactory, the body might be depleted of its source of fuel. Keeping this in mind, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic team decided to go with shilajit extract, ginger root, cinnamon bark extract, green tea extract, white tea extract, turmeric, bitter melon extract, and black pepper fruit extract. The final blend that brings the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula together is that of the prebiotic and probiotics blend. Probiotics are live, good bacteria that maximize gut health. The gut is an important organ seeing that it partakes in metabolizing nutrients, serves as a protective layer against infections, and is involved in the process of making blood clotting proteins. So much more, writes Health Harvard. Essentially, ensuring that the gut is healthy implies positive improvements to other organs as well. Obviously, the number of probiotics naturally found in the body differs from person to person, and this is where prebiotics might come in handy. Prebiotics can be thought of as fuels critical for probiotics to thrive. Since probiotics' role is to take down bad bacteria, the process can easily weaken the former. To ensure that they are strong and healthy, prebiotics are often recommended. In the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder, the selected pre- and probiotics include organic blue agave inulin, 100 mg, Bacillus infantis, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, L. reuteri HA 188, and Lactobacillus acidophilus, 3 billion CFU. Are the Flat Belly Tonic recipes legit or scam? The ingredients inside Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drink are the key to making this weight loss powder work. Now that we covered the blends, let's isolate some of the individual ingredients to see if the merits of each are legitimate or they are all a farce and worthy of running away. The ingredients combined to formulate Flat Belly Tonic hail only from the Okinawa region of Japan. Place with one of the highest life expectancy rates, Okinawa offers some of the best herbs for melting fat naturally. The important ingredients in the supplement are epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG has triple effects of reducing inflammation, assisting in weight loss, and preventing chronic illnesses. It's readily found in green tea and has great potential for melting fat. Piperine. Piperine is the active compound of black pepper. It is touted as a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance. By improving gut health, piperine assists in weight loss. It also has additional benefits in form of regulating cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Inulin. Inulin is extracted from chicory plants. It helps in better absorption of nutrients by the body. Being a fiber, it handles visceral fat and suppresses excessive hunger. Digestion is also improved by inulin as it's probiotic in nature. Mamortica chaerontia. Mamortica chaerontia serves a dual purpose in the supplement. Not only does it regulate blood sugar levels, it burns fat around the waist. Mulberry. Mulberry is a potent source of numerous nutrients. Iron, vitamin C, and a number of plant compounds are provided by mulberry. Cholesterol, blood sugar, and cancer are prevented with the usage of these berries. Besides, rutin, a substance found in mulberry, adds to the rate of burning fat. Aronia berry chokeberries or aronia berry grows on Rosacea family shrubs. A rich antioxidant, it's also loaded with fiber and vitamin C. It regulates blood glucose levels and boosts immunity. Acai berry. Acai berry is known for its fat elimination properties. Alongside this, it also has other significant health benefits. These include its antioxidant nature and potential to optimize cholesterol levels. Being rich in nutrients, it also boosts brain functioning. Antioxidant fruits. The formulation also has fruits that are known antioxidants. Their role in the formula is to enhance digestion, increase energy, boost immunity, and burn fat faster. Hibiscus subdurifa. This plant is a very rich antioxidant and hence has multiple health benefits. One of the important ones for this formula is the promotion of weight loss. Additionally, it also regulates blood pressure and blood fat levels. It also enhances liver health. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. There are many burning inquiries regarding the Okinawa tonic for a flat belly. Let's cover all of the pressing questions about this Okinawa weight loss drink to see if we can clear up some confusion and provide some much needed clarity. What is the best way to take the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The best way to take the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is by mixing 1 scoop into at least 6 ounces of water. This should be done before 10 a.m. so that the body can reap the benefits of antioxidants, pre- and probiotics, and metabolic boosting components all day long. Is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic safe? Given that the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic foundation entails fruits, vegetables, antioxidants, prebiotics, and prebiotics, this supplement is generally deemed safe to take. However, for those under 18 years of age, have a pre-existing health condition, or are pregnant and are nursing, a health practitioner's opinion should be sought. Finally, individuals are requested to avoid exceeding the recommended doses and to avoid taking this respective tonic right before operating machinery. What are the purported benefits of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? With time, individuals are likely to see an improvement in their metabolic and fat oxidation rates, inflammation response, energy levels, confidence, and gut and digestive health. What distinguishes Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from other weight loss supplements is that it targets the root cause directly. The ingredients attack the visceral fat, thereby giving you a better body shape. Tiny proteins in our blood block the intensity of metabolic activities. They also create inflammation during the digestive process. These tiny proteins are known as C-reactive or CRP. The fat-burning hormone, adiponectin, is blocked by these protein elements. If not tackled at the right time, it leads to damaged mitochondria. Damaged mitochondria will be disabled to convert nutrients into energy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic attacks CRP and starts the functioning of adiponectin again to burn fat. This helps in acquiring a leaner and fitter body. How to consume Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Since every individual is different, there is no one-size-fits-all time frame. That said, the best results are supposedly witnessed within 3 to 6 months of taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. In fact, the team behind this solution strongly recommends trying it for at least 3 months. It's best to stick to the recommended dosage for observing results. You can mix a scoop with either water or fruit juice. Moreover, most people take it before 10 a.m. to let the supplement work out throughout the day. Also, since the supplement is in a powdered format, it is easily absorbable in the bloodstream and hence maximizes benefits. Generally, people observe the effect within 30 to 60 days of consistent product usage. To lose weight, Take 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder in water before 10 a.m. For optimal results, take the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic with a meal. Do not consume on an empty stomach as this may cause nausea or mild cramping. Do not exceed 2 scoops per day. Consult your healthcare provider prior to use if you are pregnant or nursing, have a medical condition or are taking any medication. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic side effects or allergens? There has been no report of side effects after using this supplement. This is also because it's a completely natural formula without any harmful additives. As per the sales page, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic does not contain any known allergens. Specifically, individuals need not worry about gluten, dairy, soy, wheat, barley, or animal products. Is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic protected by a refund policy? Yes, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is protected by a 90-day money-back guarantee. This means that if consumers are not satisfied with the results, they are entitled to a full refund, less any shipping costs incurred. To get in touch with customer service, an email can be either sent to support@flatbellyrevelation.com or support@flatbellytonic.com. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? You can purchase this magic tonic from its official website. It's available in 3 different package options. 1 bottle $69 plus $6.95, shipping charges. 3 bottles $59/bottle, 6 bottles $49/bottle. The bottle comes with a 2-year shelf life. The best part about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is that it comes with a guarantee.
So, if you think the product isn't producing any positive results within 90 days of usage, then you can return it.
You get to keep the product even while availing a 100% refund. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is available only at its official website. The product's pricing is placed at the lowest cost possible and does not include any kind of retailer's commission or any additional fees. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is available for its users at a highly reasonable price. Make sure you buy it from its official website only to avoid any frauds or scams. This weight loss tonic is yet not made available on Amazon or at retail stores like Walmart. What are the pros of consuming Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? It's a 100% natural formula with effective herbs. Authentic product as it is only available on the official website. Doesn't require you to change your lifestyle. Increases stamina. Secure payment option. 90-day money-back guarantee. What are the cons of using the supplement? Not available anywhere except for the official website. Cannot be consumed by pregnant or breastfeeding women. Formula can be used only by those who are over 18 years. Consulting a physician before using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is essential. Click the first link in the description below to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from their official website now. Final verdict. Based on the analysis above, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a weight loss supplement that combines the power of fruits, vegetables, herbs, prebiotics, and probiotics to elicit healthy weight loss and a healthy immune system, gut health, digestive function, and so much more. By looking closely at the ingredients list, most if not all are normally included in supplements. To be more precise, the metabolic and pre- and probiotic blends contain sufficient evidence for being effective and safe. Thank you for watching this video.